Hi everybody, Nicole Bostel. Hope you're not sick of me yet, but I have some really exciting news that I hope our entire community will be really excited about because it's good news for Driveline. So we've been working very closely with Douglas County, in particular with their traffic management department over the last year and a half. We've really been working with them on all of the concerns that have come in to try and troubleshoot how we can make improvements. We've made the most improvements we can on our campus. So now we're trying to figure out how can we work together as a county and as a City of Highlands Ranch to make improvements outside of our campus. And we have great news. So one of the things that they have agreed to do, which is done officially, is here I'm standing on Bluepoint, and right here is the intersection with Barron's Boulevard, okay? And I just want to point out these white stripes here on the street, okay? And if you can see that to the left of those white stripes is a traffic lane. So what they did here is they did a cutout, so a pullover, essentially is what it's called. So parents can pull over to the side of the road, to the right side. They can let their kiddos out. It stretches all the way down to the end of the street where it intersects with that Sergeant Chris Stiles road there. And so parents can pull over, let their kiddos out, okay? And then they just put their blinker back on and feed right back into traffic once they can safely do so. So this is really exciting because it will help with some of those families who are accessing our campus from the west who then have to feed into the Driveline on the east side, okay? So one thing that I do want to point out, which would really help out, if you do end up using this here on Barron's Boulevard, when you come here to this, on Bluepoint, when you come up to this intersection here with Barron's, we're going to ask you to make a right here and head south on Barron's. Reason being is we want to alleviate some of that traffic on Ridgeline. Here's what we want your kids to do. We want your kids to get out here on one side of the car. Please don't let your kids get out on the other side because that is an active roadway, okay? Keep that in mind. So if they all get out on the right-hand side of the car, they cross that crosswalk right there, okay? And if they're secondary students, they can enter through the athletics entrance much faster. We've got a ton of room. And if they come before 7:30, before they're able to get fully into the whole school building, they can hang out in the secondary commons and in the gym. If they're elementary school, they can cross with their sibling. Hopefully they're getting out together. And the elementary school students can, once they're on the other side of the street, can head over to their class zones and get in line and wait for their teachers. Now, if you are coming late, and you drop your kiddos off, and this is in particular for elementary school, and you use this, remember, after 7:40, you have to pull in and sign your kids into school. So don't use this as a way to, hey, run inside and beat the bell, because it probably won't work. So I hope you all really appreciate this. We're really grateful to Douglas County for getting this done.